your earmuffs on too. Did you get that?
Yep.
You're so excited you're going out in the snow. Push. Okay, stand up. Jump up and down. Get your feet in there. Push. Is it in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Can you walk? Okay, wait. Come here. Mittens. Look at Miss Diane and wave.
Bye.
Okay.
Going out in the snow.
Okay, let me get her outside, and then I'm going to dress Christine.
When you shovel it, just blows right back in your face.
Wait for Daddy or Uncle Kurt.
It's going to make a bath there in your rear. We got the boat. You need help with those? You got the boat.
Wait.
Christine. Hi, Christine. Where are you going, Christine?
But we have had already reports at the airport that things are going to be backed up, obviously. And Continental Airlines apparently after 3 p.m. will be canceling flights out of Newark. Some of the other airlines had offered people new restrictions on the extra penalties for switching flights if they want to try and get out early. And that's probably something that people should know if you want to get somewhere.
Serious delays later on. You know, Julie, you mentioned the 5K road race, and I know there are a lot of other events going on.
You are too funny looking. I'll get your mittens on. Stand up.
Not heard reports of cancellations yet. Actually, this was a very low tourist time in New York City. I think we know why now. But some of the folks in the hotel said that if you have tickets to the ballet or a show or something, chances are it's not going to be canceled. You can call the individual theater. But we haven't heard anything about cancellations in the city yet. But we are just
DC. Washington, D.C. under a blizzard warning today. Close to a foot of snow is already on the ground, and the snow continues to fall there and could reach at least 2 feet in depth before the snow winds down later on tonight and Monday. They say about 22 inches falls in 24 hours. It would be a new record for 24-hour snowfall in our nation's capital. The wind is beginning to pick up in D.C., and blizzard warnings could be developing later on today. It's still snowing 1 to 2 inches per hour.
Wow, are you ready to go out and play?
Tomorrow is there, by the way, and he'll be back with us live at, I think, noon.
Okay.
Stay tuned for that.
You ready?
Yeah.
You ready? Look at Miss Diane.
Oh, look at you. You're all ready. Oh my goodness.
Mike, we got another one.
Oh my goodness.
New York City, but Boston gets set for heavy snows and strong.
You ready to go? We'll be out in a minute.
There's Kathryn.
I think she wants to go in. Just leave it there, Mike. It ain't gonna do nothing. It'll disappear is what it'll do. Hey. Come on, Morgan. Come on.
Kathryn. You like that? Christine, there you are. Wave, Christine. Wave. Mommy.
Hey, you gonna climb up the mountain there? Climb up the mountain, Kathryn.
There's Miss Diane digging her car out. No, they don't have plows in Virginia, Diane.
Against the wall.
Yay!
Further that time.
Hey, Kathryn. Hi, Christine. Was that fun?
One.
You ready, Christine?